In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Microsoft PowerPoint presentation 2025, step by step. We'll use PowerPoint for the web, so you can make quick edits from any browser, and I'll show you how autosave keeps your work safe the whole time. First, sign into your Microsoft account and open PowerPoint online. From the PowerPoint homepage, go to My Presentations. This view shows the presentations you've created or recently opened, typically stored in OneDrive or your organization's cloud storage. Take a moment to scan the list and find the presentation you want to edit. When you see the right file, click it to open. If you have a lot of documents, the search bar at the top can help you locate it faster by name. Once your presentation opens, look to the left side of the screen. That's your thumbnail pane, where all your slides are listed. Click the specific slide you want to work on. Let's use slide 2 as an example. The selected slide will appear in the main editing area. To update text, click directly on the text box you want to change. You'll see a blinking cursor, which means you can start typing right away. Add new text, replace existing wording, or correct any spelling. If you need to overwrite a phrase, drag to highlight it, then type your new content. You can also use the toolbar to tweak font, size, color, and alignment while you're there, keeping your edits clear and consistent with your design. As you type, your changes are automatically saved. Watch the status at the top of the window. PowerPoint will briefly show saving and then switch to saved. Give it a second to finish before you close the tab, especially on slower connections, so nothing is lost. If you make a mistake, the undo button or Ctrl+Z lets you step back quickly. If you want to change the title of your presentation, look at the top bar near the saved indicator and click the current file name. It will become editable. Type the new title that best describes your presentation and press enter. That new name is saved automatically as well, so there's no extra button to press. And that's it. You signed in, found your file under My Presentations, opened it, selected the slide you needed, clicked the text to edit, and let autosave handle the rest. You even renamed the presentation at the top for a cleaner, more organized workspace. Keep these steps handy, and you'll be updating your PowerPoint presentations confidently anytime you need.